We built our catapult with supplies we already had in a reusable sense. There were 4 major features on the catapult. First was the base, which was an easel. We used this because it was a sturdy base and automatically provided us with adjustable angles. We just needed to measure and mark the angles. Our second feature was the craft book, which we attached to the easel to prop up the ball because it perfectly lined up with the easel, giving a smooth runway out. Our third feature was the bow, which gave us a tight tension string to propel the ball off. The fourth feature were the rulers. We lifted the bowstring above the book so it would rest on the rulers. This allowed it to push the middle of the ball so it could be in the most controlled position, and it gave the ball a clear way out. Originally, our catapult had a container to keep the ball in and a stand to make sure that the container didn't flip when it was released.
We had 3 sets of testing and renovated it twice. After the first week, we took off the stand because it interfered with the smooth takeoff. With the second set of tests without the stand, we had to carefully line up the container to make sure it didn't flip over. In the end, we just took off the container. The third set of tests was with the ball going straight off of the bowstring, and we concluded that it worked better without the container or the stand and used it that way for the launch day. Having 3 sets of tests, with it being different each time, we had to test the new models multiple times to see which angles and velocities gave us which distances, and so that we can be more precise with what we got. When launching the ball, it mostly depends on how we aimed it and how we pulled the drawstring back. And some of the problems we encountered on launch day were that it landed too far the first time and it went too short the third time. This is because of how it was pulled back. And what went well was that the ball landed at the 7 mark ring around the target the second try, and it was our closest shot.
Oh,